Ubuntu comes with the Rhythmbox music player, which can play audio files, podcasts, CDs, and radio streams. I'll open up Rhythmbox by clicking it here in the dock. Earlier, I copied some MP3 files to my music folder, and they show up right here under Music. If they don't show up for you, you might need to click on Import, and then choose the folder where the files are. Then you'll click Import Listed Tracks. Down along the bottom of the screen, I have Rewind and Play, which turns into Pause when I start playing a track, Fast Forward, and over on the other side, Loop Playback and Shuffle Playback. Here in the middle, there's a slider that represents the progress through the track. If I double-click on a song, it starts playing.
Maybe when you're all alone, you'll see me.
To control the volume, I can click up in the Status area and change the volume slider here. I can drag songs into my play queue in the order that I want the player to play them. If I click this button with 3 dots, then I can see controls to edit the list, shuffle, or to clear the playlist. If you're using a native installation of Ubuntu on a machine with a CD or DVD drive, you'll be able to play audio discs as well. There's a podcast section here, and I can use it to look for a podcast and subscribe to it. I'll choose Add, and I'll start searching for Wait, Wait, Don't Tell Me, the NPR News Quiz. Here it is, and I can choose Subscribe to add it to my list. I'll click Close, and there's my podcast. Under Online Sources, there's a radio section, where you can listen to some online streaming radio stations. There's a few different ones built in, and you can add your own pretty easily. Let's take a look at how to do that. I'll open up my web browser, and I'll visit the site for a radio station in Northern California. They have a Listen Online button on their website, but I want to listen in Rhythmbox. Down here by More Ways to Listen, there's an option for other audio players, and that gives me the URL for a stream. I'll copy the link location, and I'll use Alt-Tab to go back to Rhythmbox. Depending on your radio station of choice, you might have to search around a little bit for a stream link. Here in the radio section of Rhythmbox, I'll click Add. Since I already had the URL in my clipboard, Rhythmbox was clever enough to figure out that I needed to paste it in here, so it did that for me. You might need to paste it in here yourself with Ctrl-V. Then I'll click Add. It shows up here in the list, and if I double-click it, it starts playing.
And actually, there is one involving England in mine.
That's pretty cool. If you have an account with Last.fm or Libra.fm, you can sign into those services to listen as well. And of course, there's many other music and podcast apps in the Ubuntu Software Center.